Okay, in this video, I will show you how to make a boring, unattractive thumbnail for your YouTube videos into something that is more likely to be clicked. Doing a lot of research recently, and apparently the thumbnails is what really makes you stand out. In the past, I've focused on thumbnails that all match when it's like in my playlist on my channel. Fact of the matter is, people don't usually watch from your channel, and what they look at is the suggested videos. So here we go. There's a bunch of stuff down the side over here. What am I going to grab? You need something that's going to stand right out. So this right here, how to make a whiteboard animation video. I don't think that's particularly good. So I'm in Keynote. I open one up. First thing you want to do is go to document over here, change the size for the perfect size. Now this is the same size you should be making YouTube videos, 1280 by 720, as well as thumbnails. You got a nice white here, Command A, delete it all. You can make these yourself. However, if you subscribe to my channel and put a comment in the bottom with a title, I'll make something for you. Promise. So here we are, Command V, here's what he said. How to make whiteboard animation video on VideoScribe, Android apps, VideoScribe tutorial. Well, now there's a lot of stuff down there that is kind of like tutorial. That's not bad, but you don't need to put something in there more than once or twice. Android apps, that's probably gonna be better in a tag. So I'm gonna go up here, grab a new one, make incredible whiteboard animations tutorial. So here we go. I'm gonna grab this now, and over here in format, I'm gonna choose text. I'm gonna choose a favorite, the Bada Boom. There is a linked video at the end of this that will show you how to get free fonts from the internet that are safe to download. Over here, gonna go with, let's say 160, see how well that fits in. 160, that's too big, try 120. Wonderful. Well, let's grab Incredible. Let's do Command plus and make that bigger so it stands out. Let's make animations also, tap, tap, stand out by making it bigger. All right, one more time. Grab that, Command C for copy, get out of there, Command V, paste, double tap. Incredible is gonna be incredibly red so it stands out. Now it'll stand out with a bit of an effect here. Animations. Maybe we should make that even bigger because that's what we're really about, isn't it? That should be the seller. Command copy, get out of there, Command V, paste. What do you say, green for go? Nice and bright so it stands out. I'm also using a lot of white space. I want this all to really, really stand out. We want that to be easy to read even when it's smaller though, so don't want to have too much of that effect on it. There we go, make incredible whiteboard animations tutorial. He also said Android, didn't he? So why don't we go to Chrome and do a search for Android logo. Go to images, get it, 2-finger tap, copy the image, Command tab back to Keynote, Command V, paste. There it is. Now, there is actually another suggested video at the end of this. It tells you how to make these icons because I'm not crazy about it being black. I'd rather it be another color. And I could make it that way if I wanted to. I might actually just make that even smaller. I can change the color a bit by making it a little more opaque. We don't want it to distract from our message, but we do want to have a little bit of style here, okay? So there we go with that. Why don't we also just add a couple of crazy shapes here. Draw with pen. If you put things on that are a little bit less than, they're a little skewed, a little angular, enter style. Now this color fill, I'm gonna make the same as the green at the bottom. Then I'm gonna send it to the back. I'm gonna lose the line. No border. Now I'm gonna put this guy in there actually. Command D duplicates that. Over here, I can flip it vertically and horizontally. If you don't have your toolbar customized, there is a video at the end of this teaching you how to do that. In format arrange, however, you also have the ability to flip things to and fro. I'm gonna bring this down here, send that to the back, or over here I could send that to the back. Grab this fella, maybe make him a little smaller as well, why not? And I'm gonna make this one the same as the red. Get a little bit of a theme happening here. Click and get the red. There it is, fantastic. Now we've got something. Now I'm gonna close the format. I'm gonna make this as big as possible. Command Shift 4 lets me take a screenshot of this beauty that will stand out against the competition and get me more views. And that will be saved on my desktop. Now, just to give you a quick example, over here, I can choose change image. So I'm not just left up to the resources of YouTube choosing things for me. I can click this, change image, and upload it from the desktop. That's how it's done. You can do it yourself in Keynote very easily. I would suggest going in and changing all of your subpar thumbnails to get more traffic. And I'm not kidding, subscribe to my channel, put a comment at the bottom of this video, and I'll make one for you if you give me a title. Watch the videos at the end.
The world is a remix.